Okay, this is called Fernão Mendes Pinto. I'm going to tell you about that guy as well. It's a writer. And we're going to, we might even go down that alley a little bit, but our main one is to go down this street. And we're going to go all the way down to a market that's all the way down. So just kind of stay tuned and we're going to show you what's here. The starting spot is kind of interesting because we got some of these interesting buildings. And I think there's a little dead end alley right there too. Kuching Middle School is right there. And we also got a supermarket right there. You can go up into that. But anyways, that's going to be our focus street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, there's our man right there. So now you can kind of see what he looks like. But yeah, he's actually a writer from 1500s. And so yeah, I'm gonna go into that little alley a little bit. And then we're gonna go down. We'll talk a little bit about his life as well. It's kind of interesting, I think. So before we even begin, it's kind of a cool little shop right there. Hello. I haven't seen her here in a while. The expat community is kind of small, so this one right here is kind of interesting because this is called the patio of Eternal Union. And it goes all the way down. Actually, it used to be a Hawaiian place down at the end, but that's no longer there anymore. But actually, that's not our focus street, but it is kind of a cool street. So our focus street is going to be Fernão Mendes Pinto, 1509 to 1583, a Portuguese explorer and writer. He recorded the pilgrimage, his autobiographical memoir. The accuracy is debatable, and it says his nickname Fernão Mendes Pinto because it's a wordplay on lie. So you can see that right there. It's kind of funny. So okay, so 1500s, 1583. So he was so basically he wrote a memoir. That's his kind of claim to fame. The book was written in 1569. Okay, published in 1614. So I guess he wrote a lot about, you know, kind of colonialism and things like that. So we're just gonna walk down and try to get across without getting ran over by a bus or anything like that. And there's actually two Fernão Mendes Pinto. So there's actually one, this one right here with Day. There's another one just Rua Fernão Mendes Pinto. And so that other street is in Taipa. So they gave rise to the saying Fernão Mendes Pinto, a Portuguese pun on his name meaning Fernão, do you lie? I do. So, okay. Kind of interesting. So I guess, yeah, I guess he basically is the guy that kind of moved around, traveled around. His legacy is from his writing and from, okay. 2011, there was a €2 coin was issued to mark the 500th anniversary. That's interesting. I guess that was it. I didn't read that. I don't know if a €2 coin. Maybe somebody can explain that to me. That it's kind of interesting. I'd have to do a little bit more research on if that was like one. I don't know. Interesting. So anyways, this is our street right here. I don't know. We're gonna keep on walking. We got a ramen shop coming up. So we definitely got some kind of interesting stuff everywhere. The lights are just going down. Pedro Coutinho, it's a street that I used to live on when I first came to Macau 10 years ago. I used to live on the other, down about 2 blocks. Just gonna try to slowly capture all the corners because those are kind of interesting. And then we're gonna continue walking down our target street. Let's see, I think we're gonna walk down this direction. So okay, it's about 6 o'clock. Actually, I saw this girl. She was upset earlier because I walked by here earlier. It's very upset. I don't know. Yeah, earlier she was crying as well. So she's been crying for at least 30 minutes. It's tough on kids. kind of like, in my mind, it's like, what if that's an abduction? But actually, I think the older lady's been with a child for at least 20 to 30 minutes already in public. So I think if it was an abduction, a different result would have happened quicker. I think I have to go this way across. And that's our target street right there. Okay, so we're gonna go across here. What we're gonna be doing is going through Rotunda Carlos de Maya, which is coming up. I don't think I've walked the street fully from one end to the other. I think I usually just do little pieces of it. That's kind of a cool space right there. Spice up your life with a little egg like that right there. Pretty cool spot. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. So kind of interesting. The sun just is going down as well, so lights are coming on, which makes it a little bit not so good for filming, but actually it's not too bad either. It's actually more or less, it looks better on film, but sometimes if I move the camera too much, it doesn't look good at all. So it's a kind of an art form. I got to slow down on moving the camera around. So we're basically just going to walk right through to this rotunda. Because our street's going to continue on a little bit. So I think we can come across now. And now we're in this little space like this. And now we kind of have all these different streets. Got that street, that street. So you got 1, 2, 3 right there, 4, and we got 5 down that way. And we kind of got a fan who's watching me, so I might try to capture him a little bit, older guy. And you got a little Times Square screen right there as well. Okay. So what we're gonna do is come directly through this way, which is also our target street as well. So this one goes right into the marketplace, which is where we're going to go now, and it's also the same street, and it goes all the way down to Red Market. Okay. So quick 360 here. So we're going to walk down to the end of the street, and then that'll be it. It's about a block, and now we just go through the marketplace area. Yeah, kind of cool apartment right there, those ones. And that was our target street down that way. So let's go all the way down to the end of this street. And yeah, they sell clothing here, flowers, keys, fruits, plants, shirts. Getting a little bit dark, so. And this is kind of a nice little space right here, just black and white. We're going to keep on going down all the way down to the end, but we'll just kind of give a quick 360 here before we do. This is Mother Teresa Street. It goes all the way up towards Mongha. This is our target street. It goes all the way to, it's like we're on the east-west direction here, and then this is the south direction. And then in this one, it's also the same name, and there's a bunch of tailors in here. So you can see Patio de Fernão, Mendes, Pinto. So a little different than the Hua that we're on. So it's all patio. But basically this is all tailors. So so they have tailors, flowers. I'm just gonna head back on out. So that's a patio, and then we're gonna come all the way down here in a minute. I'm just gonna go all the way down that way, and then Red Market is all the way down that way. Or you can also go down this way as well and go like that. And that's the rotunda down that way. So kind of a cool little space in here. So we're gonna head all the way down, and we're just gonna go all straight down that way. As soon as everybody clears the path a little bit, now we can kind of take it easier. And then if we go all the way down, it goes through a couple different markets, and then Red Market is the main market that people usually use as a reference point around here. So they'll say, oh, it's down by the Red Market. And that could mean this area as well, because it's relatively close by. And it looks like a lot of stuff is kind of closing. So usually it's pretty busy on the weekends, and it's busy on the mostly weekends, really. And we're gonna come out to the end of it, which is gonna be right here. Right there. And then, yeah, this is a totally different street here. And then that one goes into something called Pires over that direction, which goes all the way down to the Red Market. The Red Market is there that way, or you can go like that. And you can kind of see, so they have the block right there, and then all walking pedestrian streets all the way down. I have filmed that quite a few times, so I think I'm not going to film it. I'll just end it right here. So this was our Rua de Fernão, Mendes, Pinto, the explorer slash writer, Mendes Pinto. Okay. So that's the end of our street right there, and that's our focus street right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.